Should be full.
More. It's okay, I just want that.
It's okay. Babayaran natin yung ganong price.
Take care, huh?
Yeah. Good. Oh, the toy store is closed. Still closed.
We won't wait here until it's open.
Okay, where are you now? Where are you now? Then what we will do?
Wait for the shop to open.
Okay, but before I will buy you toy, we will make a deal, okay?
Okay.
Alright, okay. So still closed? Then let's wait later. Let's walk first. Come on.
But we will forget where's the toy shop.
Oh, we will. I know this place. We will go back here. Let's walk first. Let's go.
Let's
in
just
Carrefour.
going that way, that way, that way, that way, that way,
Alright.
that way.
Okay, we
Okay.
will go back. We'll go. Okay. Say bye-bye to mama. Mama.
Bye bye, Mama.
And papa. Oh. Wow. Nice. Seryoso?